Hello, good evening, guys. Today is 13th of December, 4 p.m. I'm heading towards Howrah Station right now. My brother-in-law and my sister, they are coming to Howrah Station, so I'm going to pick them up. From my house to reach Howrah Station, it takes more than an hour. So I hope I'll reach there on time. So you guys, on my way to Howrah. Guys, this is what I've wore to go to the Howrah Station today. Now I'm heading towards the AC bus station, which is just close to the Kolkata airport. Guys, this is Kolkata airport. You must be thinking why I'm heading towards the airport if I have to go to Howrah. The people who doesn't know about the bus facility in Kolkata airport, I want to let you all know. There's a very good connection from airport to the railway station. From the Kolkata airport in the arrival hall, you'll see there's a bus stand. It's an AC bus station where you can go towards the railway station straight. So guys, this is the Kolkata airport arrival hall, gate number 1, and close to this you have the AC bus station where you can get the electric bus, AC bus towards the railway station, Howrah. If you take Uber ride from Kolkata airport to the Howrah, it will take you around 600 to 700. But if you go by AC bus, they will charge you hardly 50 rupees. This is going to Howrah. Dada, ye Howrah ja raha hai na? Achha. I'm on the board the bus right now. There are hardly 3 passengers. We are waiting for the bus to be filled. I have taken the last row because I have to block for you guys. नमस्कार दादा, हावड़ा तक कितना है? 50 रुपीज़. AC चलेगा ना थोड़ा बाद में?
हाँ अभी चल. टिकट हाथ पे रखना उतरने के टाइम.
Okay, thank you so much. So guys, this is the ticket. They charge only 50 rupees to go to Howrah station. So guys, my bus will leave after 20 minutes. There's a Chanachur wala near the airport, Kolkata, and people are enjoying. So guys, I've taken the last row of the bus and I'm waiting for the people to come in to board the bus and all we can go together. So in the meantime, I think I'll just go out and show you. So guys, this is the bus that will take me. इसको क्या बोलता है? चनाचूर? क्या बोलता है इसको? चनाचूर. चनाचूर. I don't want to waste time, so I'll just go and get a cup of tea for myself. Look at the birds, guys. They are lucky that they are in Kolkata. They are not in Nagaland. So guys, I've taken a cup of tea. I didn't want to waste time, so I just came to buy a cup of tea. You can hear the birds chirping. Anyways guys, I'll just head towards the bus, otherwise my bus will leave and go. There is my bus. Wow, really guys, this tea is really good. Fresh milk tea here near the Kolkata airport. So I guess we are ready to go now. Like I said, I'm heading towards the Howrah railway station where Roslyn's, my wife's elder sister and brother-in-law, along with their daughter, they are coming to Kolkata from Bhubaneswar. They will be here with us for a night and tomorrow they will fly back to Agartala. And they are also traveling with a little cute dog. Her name is Daisy. So I'm going to show you in my blog. I recommend you all this AC bus if you have to travel from Kolkata airport to the railway station Howrah. It's nominal and then like very comfortable. They have put on the AC as well. It's becoming dark slowly. Guys, we almost reached Howrah station. It will just take me 2 minutes for me to reach the Howrah railway station. We are about to cross the Howrah bridge, which I'll be showing you guys. The scene is same, be in the flight or in the bus. Before we reach the station, people they all get up. I'm the only one to sit down. Dada, thank you. So I've reached the Howrah station. It's 6:08 now. They're supposed to reach here by 6 o'clock, but their train is a little bit delayed. They will be here in another half an hour. This is the iconic Howrah Bridge of Kolkata. It's not very clear at night. I'm just trying to show you since I have time. Many people they call it Howrah Bridge, but the real name of this bridge is called Ravindra Setu. I see the crowd at Howrah railway station. Like an ant, guys, like an ant. Howrah station. Guys, do you know that if you come to receive somebody in the railway station, you have to first take the platform ticket, otherwise you will be charged fine. It will cost you 10 rupees, which is valid for 2 hours. So guys, they are here. This is their train. Actually, they have already reached. There were so many platforms, so I couldn't find which platform they are coming in. But they have come and they are waiting for me over there. Hello, my sister, sorry, and little Daisy.
Hi to the vlog.
Yes. Oh, so much luggage. And a coolie for all this baggage. Daisy, Daisy. This is the Howrah station at night. So looks so beautiful. Guys, we have taken a Uber XL, bigger Uber, because we have so many baggage. Coolie is bringing. Hello, Bhagator, कैसा है?
अच्छा ठीक है.
कैसा लगा ट्रांसफर?
बढ़िया लगा. मस्त है.
आइए आइए.
ये वाला कैसे जाएगा?
चल जाएगा. Look at Coolie Dada, thank you so much. So guys, we are taking an Uber ride to home. Bridge. वो लोग कुत्ता को कैसे लेके आया देखो ट्रेन में डायपर पहना के दिखाओ डायपर दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे सोलेगा बाइक In Kolkata, buses are driven by pilots. London in Kolkata. We have reached our complex after almost 1.5 hour drive. थोड़ा धीरे करना यहाँ पे दादा चलो सीधा जाके लेफ्ट. We have reached home. Daisy. Daisy, Daisy, Daisy. Daisy got her friend.
When Doti met Daisy, oh no, go. And Doti is scared.
Doti is scared.
Doti, don't be scared. Go, go, go.
Doti, your face is more scary. You scared?
See?
Huh? Yeah, Doti, your face is more scary. You should scare, no?
Yes, go, go, go.
Good morning guys, in another new day. As you can see, I'm waiting in the parking lot for my Uber driver to come. We are heading towards the airport. Yesterday, as you saw, my brother-in-law and my sister and their daughter, along with the little Daisy, the dog, they came together from Howrah to Kolkata. They had overnight stay in a house, and this morning they are going to the airport, and from there they will be flying to Agartala. And since they are traveling with a pet, the Uber driver did not, accept the pet to take in the Uber cab. One vehicle is already gone. We have booked 2 cars, and one more cab is coming. But the first driver, he allowed the pet after I requested him that, the dog is wearing a diaper, and then his car will not be messed up. So he smiled and he agreed to it, and then they have headed towards the airport. Now I'm waiting for another cab to take us to the airport. So guys, in life, it all depends how you speak, how you talk to people. With this tongue, you can make someone happy. With this tongue, you can make someone sad. So it's all about how you talk to people. As you can see, my sister is waiting out there with the dog cage. Daisy has already gone in first car. We're waiting for the second car to come to take us. There come our Uber cab. Here comes our Uber cab. Ready to go. So guys, we are going to the airport. So guys, if you're thinking to take a dog in from the flight, first of all you require a cage. And if your dog is below 5 kilos, they will allow you in the passenger cabin. You can carry in your hand. But if it's more than 5 kilos, they will put the dog in the cargo hold where your baggage is lost. So you don't have to worry, there's oxygen over there, and then your dog will reach safely. The charges are 600 rupees per kilo. The airport. So guys, we're waiting in a queue to get our entry. Look at the queue, guys. Daisy! Daisy! Bye bye! Bye bye! Bye bye!
Hi, thank you.
Welcome! Bye bye! Guys, finally I've left for the departure and I'm heading back home now. Guys, back to square. I have come to the same place yesterday from where I've taken the AC bus, and I went to Howrah to pick up my brother-in-law and my sister, and I've dropped them in the airport. Now I'm going back home. Electric bus, it doesn't require any fuel or any gas. You have to charge it and then like you're ready to go. So guys, I'm back home from the airport. If you guys are thinking to take a dog in the plane, first of all you require a cage. Then you need the vaccination certificate and fit to fly certificate from the veterinary doctor. Okay guys, I'm about to reach home. Lift is not working, so I have to take the steps. If the dog is below 5 kilo, you can take the dog in the hand in the cabin where you are seated. But if the dog is more than 5 kilos, you have to check in. So the dog will go in the cargo. And like I said, per kilo they will charge you rupees 600. Aminda, what are you doing?
Making
What are you making?
fish.
Fish.